Right. We also have Soumya with us. Soumya, at a time while many countries are considering a 4-day work week, here we're talking about 90 hours in a week is what an employee should be working. Isn't the well-being of the employee something that needs to be considered by the organizations?
So, for the last 10 years, I have always worked at places where, 70, 80 hours a week was the norm, is the norm. I was in management consulting firms for 6, 7 years, and now I'm building my own startup, and we are in a very early stage startup. What I and in top three management consulting firms are very, very aspirational, sought after, despite the kind of hourly commitment that they seek, and people when they are entering, they know that. Now, the reason why people still want to go for it is there is something in it for the employees in return. Either it is very fast growth, very high compensation, very steep learning curve, which kind of benefits. So if the choice, if things are made upfront clear, I think we should not judge people who by choice are very hardworking. Having said that, I think 90-hour work week is unsustainable. And what is wrong is cutting costs in the name of saying that everybody should work hard. Like the work, it shouldn't be the case where one person is hired for the work that is supposed to be done by two people, or it should not be things like that. We keep hearing of managers who themselves might not have any personal life outside of work, and hence ask the entire team to stay at office and put in those long hours without any reason. You just mentioned Europe. I think Indians have made a mark globally because of the grind that they are able to put in. Because right from childhood to corporate, it is so cutthroat, it is so competitive that we have now almost built that strength. Now the world is seeing what is happening to Europe. The countries which were leaders are now lagging behind because of 1 month break in a year, 4 days work week. So to each their own. As far as one is in it by choice, and unethical practices are not being followed. I think there is space for people who want to do the drill. There's space for people who can take it chill. And thankfully, we are in times where the choices could be made, and it should be left to people, versus judging others. The workaholics should not judge people who value their out of work commitment.